I threw up last night. I was tired. Oh, no, I have the hiccups. Oh, I just hiccuped again. That stunk so bad. So bad. Anyway, I'm gonna show you. Let him go. Okay, here it goes. I got this ball. Oh, shoot. One more time. No! Oh, now it's under my bed. Ow. That was terrifying. That was really terrifying. Yeah, now I have the hiccups again.